Hi friends, today I'm so excited to show you this neck and shoulder massager. This is the user manual. It came in this box, so we're gonna open it right now. This is for use it in the car, and this is the home adapter, so you can use it in your home. Is this one. So it's perfect that you can use it in your home or in your car, because sometimes driving is so exhausting. This is the massager. Look at this. The design is perfect. Have this hated Shiatsu heads. Here is the control panel. This is the power input, and have these straps for your arms. As you can see, the material is perfect. It's easy to clean. It's comfortable. So let's go try it. This uses like this. You can put your arms right here inside, this way. Oh, it's so comfortable. So for use it, let's go use the home adapter, this. So you can see in the control panel that is a button for turn it on or turn it off. This other is for the direction of the massage, with the heads that are inside of this. This is for the intensity of the massage, and this is the head button for the temperature. So let's go try it all in the neck and shoulders first. Ooh. You can see how the massager moves. Oh. Oof. Intensity. And the head. So let me show you. You can see the move right here. We're gonna move the direction, the intensity. This is more slow, faster, slow, faster. And the hip, you can feel it in the massager. I highly recommend this product if you wanna relieve your body, if you wanna feel more relaxing. It's a very good product. See you.